What do you got? A dum-dum? Come show me. Show me. What color is it? No, let me see. Let me see your dum-dum. Show mommy. Take it out. Oh, it looks yellow. Is it yummy? What? Grandma's in the bathroom. Going potty. Do you need to go potty? No?
Go potty.
Do you want to give Sunny a hug? Yeah.
Hey, Sunny.
Hey, Sunny girl. She's happy. She's happy you're here. Oh, she wants you to rub her belly. She's laying down, yeah. Laying down. You're sitting just like your daddy. What's she doing? You rub. Oh, pat her. Nice. That's nice.
Dog.
She is a dog. What do dogs say?
Woof, woof.
Woof woof. What does a cow say? What does a kitty cat say?
Meow. Meow.
Meow. What does a ducky say?
Quack, quack.
Quack quack. What does a baby say? What do cows eat?
Grass.
Yeah.
Oh. Sunny.
Oh. Do you remember what piggies say? Piggies? They say oink oink oink. Oink oink. Oink oink.
Sunny.